BJ. BJ, come here. Hey, turkey. He went underneath there.
He goes underneath everything.
More?
I
mean, the other?
Yeah.
How long it take them to do?
Not very long. Bugsy. I don't want to take away. I look like Grandpa Collins.
Well, the windows are fogged up. I can't see the snow.
It's snowing.
What's in there?
Look.
Mmm.
That's so pretty.
Too bad it's not smell-o-vision.
Ain't they pretty?
Pretty. I think your dog has something he's not supposed to. Not that dog.
Oh. What's he have? He's looking at me like, it ain't me.
Oh no, he's got a ball. That's a good boy. Get your toys. That's a good boy. Get your toys.
Okay, green bean, that's plain. We don't think.
You're so jovial all the time. I'm sure that the passengers who you've chatted with are just kind of smiling through this mess.
Well, some are trying, you know, there's been some horror stories, and we touched on that here a little while ago.
What is that thing, Edison?
Last time you and I spoke, it was not as
What is that, Edison?
picking up here at the terminal.
What is this little thing down here at my feet?
It's tough, guys, to travel during the holidays, but you had some bad weather, and it
What
could
is
be a
that
downright
thing?
nightmare. DFW is under its ground delay program due to low visibility from the snow going through the area right now. We're doing some de-icing on the planes, and that's
Hey,
about 20
what are you doing?
minutes per plane.
That's probably lead paint.
135 flights departures today. That's about 50% of the flight load. And we
No.
some inbound flights have been canceled as well. All these
No.
delays are creating some travel nightmares for flights.
Uh,